Another good question. So what we have is f of n is equals to n plus summation of 1 to n. The numerator is I equals to 1 to n. The numerator is 16i plus n into 5 minus, or rather 9 minus 4i minus 3n square upon 4in plus 3n square. So what we'll do is we'll write this as 1 to n, 1 plus 69, 9 minus 4i square upon 3n square, which becomes 69 plus 9n upon n into 4i plus 3n. So this becomes 10 16 I by n plus 9 upon 4i by n plus 3 into 1 by n. So this is fn. Then recall what we do now is we substitute this sum by an integral. 1 by n replace 1 by n takes the place of dx and I by n takes the place of x. So this becomes from 0 to 1 16x plus 9 upon 4x plus 3 dx. So integral of 0 to 1 4 plus 4 minus 3 upon 4x plus 3, so which becomes 4 minus 3 by 12 ln 4 minus 1 by 4 ln 7 by 3. Oh, sorry, not 12, we'll have a 4 here, so this becomes this 4 minus 3 by 4 ln 7 by 3. So answer is B.